So this is the bezel replacement for the A1990 and the A1707. Here's a new one right here. I took one out of the package already, and simply to take off the bezel, wherever that crack is, just kind of build from the crack and pull it up. I would not recommend using a heat gun because you can damage the little wires in here. Very sensitive stuff, you've got to be very careful. And then I use the plastic clip to take out the bezel. A lot of people use the heat gun, ended up damaging the wires or accidentally pulled off and damaged one of these wires. So take your time, be slow with it. And it took me around maybe 15 minutes to take off the bezel, 10-15 minutes. And then simply to put the new one on, all you have to do is just take off the tape, and then you would just take your time slowly, put it on the bottom piece first, and then you would just tap it in like this, and then you just press firmly, very gently along the whole way, and that's how you replace the bezel. I decided to make a video because there wasn't a lot of videos on it, so I hope it helps people.